In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Sennheiser headphones to Samsung Smart TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna present the main way of connecting your Sennheiser headphones to a Samsung Smart TV, and I'm going to talk about alternatives if this one does not work for you. So the main way is going to be through a Bluetooth connection. So if your specific pair of Sennheiser headphones supports Bluetooth, you will be able to connect them to your Samsung Smart TV easily. So to start, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled and set up on your Samsung Smart TV. Go over to your TV settings, navigate to the sound settings, and usually you will be able to go over to sound output and then select Bluetooth speaker list. From there, it is going to search for nearby devices as long as Bluetooth is enabled and set up accordingly. So now you just have to put your Sennheiser headphones in pairing mode, refer to your specific headphones manual for instructions if needed, but most Sennheiser headphones that support Bluetooth will have a physical button that you can press to set them up in pairing mode. So an example would be the HD 450BT. By pressing this button that I've highlighted here, they will go into pairing mode. The LED indicator is going to start flashing, and once they are in pairing mode, you will be able to find them listed under the list of Bluetooth speakers available on the Samsung TV. So just choose it from the list, and immediately upon doing so, they will automatically pair themselves up. So now all of the audio being output on your Samsung Smart TV is going to go over to your Sennheiser headphones instead. Now, if your specific Sennheiser headphone model does not support Bluetooth, then you will have to do it through a wired connection. It is preferable to use an optical audio connection for headphones with a 3.5mm jack. You will be able to connect one end of an optical cable into the optical audio out port of your TV, and then the other end into an optical audio in port on an audio device, such as an amplifier or soundbar. And then you will be able to connect the Sennheiser headphones to the audio device with the 3.5mm audio cable. You can try connecting the 3.5mm audio cable directly into the Samsung Smart TV, however, it is preferable to use an amplifier or a soundbar as sort of a middleman. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Sennheiser headphones to Samsung Smart TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.